What's up drivers, welcome to Friendly Moments 7. The main theme of today's video is when it's a better idea to not try and be friendly. The reason I beeped in this clip is because a hazard was created by the driver in front. My beep alerts drivers behind me, and the drivers waiting at the junction that there is something out of the ordinary to be aware of. Stopping like this to let people out is the equivalent of stopping for a green light, and traffic behind and traffic waiting to emerge won't be expecting you to do it.
Oh, what are you doing? Hey! Why are you just stopping randomly?
Anyone remember this clip from years ago?
Get out the way, bitch, get out the way.
Oh, really?
Oh!
If traffic behind rear ends you, they will always be found at fault in this situation for not paying attention or driving too close to be able to react and stop. But that doesn't mean that trying to be friendly doesn't sometimes unnecessarily increase risk. If traffic is flowing at the speed limit, just carry on. This next example is an excellent showing of drivers having absolutely zero clue what is around them.
I can't fit behind you, you moron. Why does no one look around them before making decisions? Am I gonna have to stop here? Yes. No, again, you've got a car behind you. Why is everyone trying to be nice? Yep. You're both very welcome. I appreciate people trying to be nice, but how many brain cells does it take?
In this clip, I purposefully don't slow or stop to let the yellow Ford emerge, just in case they haven't seen the moped or the cyclist to my left. By maintaining the pace that I do, it helps protect the cyclist from them being cut up at the junction. If I had stopped and or flashed my lights at the yellow Ford, then risk would have significantly increased for the more vulnerable road users around me. I'm pretty sure that a large majority of you watching already know about the pedestrian priority when turning into a junction rule.
Video protected.
No, it's that's the highway code nowadays.
Huh?
That's the highway code nowadays. Give way to pedestrians.
Like a crossing, yeah?
No, when you're at a junction.
Both of these examples were perfectly safe, but personally I only yield if a person has already stepped into the road or is clearly about to. If people are waiting and watching, I usually just crack on. Rather poor driving from the Citroen in this clip, but this is exactly why I personally wouldn't have done the same as Emu here.
Yeah.
Go on then, brother, what are we doing? It wasn't, was it?
This absolute legend takes a moment out of his day to clear some debris from the road. This may seem like a small act, but you could have prevented a motorcyclist from getting seriously injured, or at the very least saved someone a trip to the tyre shop. Top marks, my brother. Next up are the cyclists. This clip shows the importance of looking for eye contact and confirmation from other road users before making any decisions.
I appreciate that, my man. Maybe he was just saying I smell that. It was a bit of a woo!
Your light's green. Your light's green.
These next 4 clips are all about creating extra space to solve problems. I could have made an issue out of the Audi's driving in this clip, but there was space I could use, so Kudos to the Nissan driver in this clip from Geeky Ads, who holds further back from the keep clear to allow oncoming traffic to still find a way through.
Oh, are they going to let you out?
From the Sky News Centre at
Ooh,
5,
I think he
the
might.
Foreign
Oh.
Secretary says the RAF has evacuated 63 British nationals from Israel as the conflict with Iran
That went
continues.
better.
David Lammy
Yeah, I did
told
not
us
expect that to go as easy as it did.
to
No.
Cyprus from where they
She can go in a
returned
friendly
to the
moments
UK.
for that.
He also revealed
Feel free to call me a hypocrite for including this friendly truck driver, but notice how in another 3 vehicles time I would have been able to go naturally anyway.
What a boss. That boss going to be sat there all fucking day.
But anyway, that's all we've got time for today. Please like, comment, share and hype this video, and remember to not just keep it friendly, but keep it smart. Peace. The day figured out how the sync works. Look, hey, look, tap it, coming out, look.